In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to make a custom branded business card using the Agent Elite Design Studio. Let's start by clicking on the real estate templates and selecting business cards. You'll see several design options open up. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Click Create Design to get started. I like this one because it has photos front and back. And once you've seen the preview, click Create Design again. Within just a few seconds, the Design Studio will generate a card that you could use the way it sits, but we're not going to, obviously. Now on the front of this card, I don't really want to do anything with the graphics. I think that the bathtub photo in the background makes the card look interesting. But I do need to adjust the branding. My logo is just too small. I also think that my name and my title should be larger, as well as all of my personal information. So I'm going to adjust all of these and make sure that the layout is proper. And this should only take a few seconds. It's important to note that you want to be mindful that everything is lined up properly and everything looks good, because this is what you're going to hand people so that they remember you. Now on the reverse of the card, I do want to change this photo. So what I'm going to do is double click on the photo, click on Uploads to open up my upload file, and scroll down until I find the photo that I want. Okay, that one. And let me adjust the centering on that. I hope that this gave you all of the information you need to feel confident to make your own business cards in the Design Studio. But thanks for joining me. If you have other questions about the Design Studio, go to the Agent Elite knowledge base at www.help.agentelite.com.